The BJP central team of MPs has been detained by the police shortly after they arrived at the Kolkata airport and tried to go towards riot-hit Basirhat. Om Prakash Mathur, Meenakshi Lekhi and Satyapal Singh were to assess the ground situation in Basirhat that has seen violence and communal clashes since Monday. But even yesterday, the police was not allowing any politicians to visit. Attempts were made by the Congress, by the left and BJP yesterday as well. The central MPs even threatened the police with a privilege motion, but the cops stood firm and the MPs have been detained.
आपने गाड़ी रोकी किस आधार पे ये बताइए? पता है सर, मुझे बताइए गाड़ी रोकी किस आधार पे आपने? इसलिए कि आगे जाने से प्रॉब्लम है। क्या प्रॉब्लम है बताओ ना। आप कहीं बैठ के बात नहीं कर सकते। तक में रोक रहा हूँ। हम सांसद है पता आपको? और आप सांसद है, आपको ध्यान है ना? प्रिविलेज मोशन आ जाएगा ना, आप बन जाओगे। किस आधार पे रोक रहा हूँ?
On what basis are you arresting? Because 144 is not applicable here. And if 144 is not applicable, on what basis can you arrest us? Mamata government, we will get to know what the reality is, and Mamata government is hiding more than telling what's happening on the ground. बहुत स्पष्ट है कि हम लोगों से और पूरे देश से छुपाया जा रहा है कि जमीन पर क्या कुछ हो रहा है. I don't know if these women are going to arrest and the men are also going to be arrested. We'll be heading wherever they take us.
As you can see, BJP MPs have been detained here and they will be taken away in this car towards wherever the police are taking them. If I can ask you here, well, of course, this is the car in which the MPs are being taken away. Sir, are you being arrested or detained?
Yeah, they have been detained. I don't know whether they are arresting us or not. We are not sure about it, but they are taking us.
Well, of course, Mr. Satyapal Singh was trying to tell us that he has been arrested. He says he's been arrested. The police saying detained. A little bit of confusion here. But the scenes here right near the airport, very, very dramatic. Detained from just barely a few kilometers away from the airport. The police taking them away. Just wanted to also figure out, well, this is, of course, another car in where the other BJP leaders have been taken. So clearly, Satyapal Singh telling us on camera he's been arrested, but the police maintaining that he's been detained. With camera person Bishwajit Das in Kolkata, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.
देखिए, एक तो सरकार बोल रही है कि वहाँ स्थिति काबू में है और दूसरी तरफ जो वहाँ जाने वाले हैं सेंट्रल टीम को भी जाने नहीं दे रही है. अब ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि सरकार क्या चाहती है. पिछले 7 दिन से लगातार हिंसा हो रहा है. वहाँ शांत करने के बजाय सरकार के एमएलए जाके वहाँ उत्तेजना फैलाते हैं. बाकी सरकार की ना प्रशासन की ना पुलिस की कोई उपस्थिति वहाँ नहीं है. सेंट्रल फोर्स केंद्र सरकार सफिशिएंट देने के लिए तैयार है, वो लेने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. बाकी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी भी वहाँ शांति की वार्ता देने चाहते थे. हमारे लोग भी जाने वाले थे कल, उनको भी रास्ता में रोका गया है.